Hey everyone, my name is Peyton Varney, and in this video what I want to do is go over character swapping inside of the Unreal Engine 5 preview. And so with the default character, we've always kind of used the one that we have here with Unreal Engine 4, and also kind of its default as well in Unreal Engine 5. But there is actually a newer character model too that you can use that a lot of people don't know about. So what I'm going to do real quick is just start a third person project and naming it character swap. And so we're just going to go ahead and create that. And what's really nice about this too is that you don't have to change really anything else, like with the animations, like it uses the same rig and all. So it's just literally like kind of a drop down switch. So now I have my window up here. Going to kind of bring this out a little bit so we can see. And now we have our project. So yeah, if I just go ahead and actually play in the level, you can see that we're using the default one, which is the like male character. And I think overall this one's kind of feels a little bit exaggerated with some of the proportions, both with like the height and stuff. And I think like especially when I use like the character for reference running around in a space that's more realistic, and something that has like more accurate measurements with my like furniture and everything, just can sometimes feel like that character is like pretty like huge. And so what I want to do here is open up my content browser window here, and I'm actually going to type in third, and so it's going to bring up my third person character blueprint. And so I can click on this and it's going to pop up with this little window here. And what I want to do is, now that we're in the third person character blueprint, I'm just going to click over on viewport. And now we can see the camera, the character, everything kind of set up for this. I'm going to go ahead and actually click on the character itself. And now that I've selected that, you can see that the details panel has updated with the character options and the details. So right under the mesh area, you can actually see the skeletal mesh that it's using. If you actually use this drop down window here, you can see that there is another option for a mannequin female. So if I select that, it's going to bring it in, and the animations and all are already set up. And we can see that, yeah, the proportions are definitely a bit different, but I feel like this one, just for like an average character size, feels a little bit more like appropriate and correct comparatively. And so yeah, I can select that. Now that they are in here, I can hit compile and close out of that window. So now that I'm back here in my actual scene, I can press the play level again, and now you can see that it's updated with the female character skeletal mesh. And just running around, like all the animations are working, everything's working fine, and yeah, now you have something that I find to be a little bit better for using for like scale reference and stuff with my more realistic environments. But yeah, that's about it for this video, and I will see you next time.